Hey guys, here's another video today I'm going to take about, I was going through my wallet and then I found there are unwanted debit cards and credit cards which is there. So I just wanted to do some experiments because sometimes we carry credit cards in wallets or sometimes we carry like this in the pocket with some lamination cover or something like that. So how rigid is this cards? Whether it's debit card or credit card. So now I'm using the Amex credit card and which is like good enough and yeah. So I just wanted, coming to the point, I just wanted to try what all kind of what all kind of impact it can sustain. So that's what I wanted to. I was about to throw this card. Then I thought of making this a video so that it can be useful, whether it will carry this credit card in pocket or it can carry in wallet. So let's start. I'm not going to take your time. So let's start with normal wear and tear, the wear and tear. So let's start like this because I already tried this throwing, then I got this idea. So let's see how does it go. Sorry. So I am going to this. It was seriously flexible, but I tried to make like this, and I tried this and I started the game here. Sorry for that. Then I got the idea. So I'm just trying to make as much bend, and still it is, it can be working. Let's see. And now I'm trying this opposite side. It's still not making any cracks, but it is making bend, which can be even, you can, if you try to keep it flat, it will be fine. Now, so let's try some making scratches. How does it work? So if I apply very sharp from the screwdriver, then after trying 1, 2, 3, 4th attempt, yes, it is working. It is getting little scratches. If you can zoom in, then you can see. On this glacier part, it is very difficult to make scratches. But on here, CVB, it should be deleted. I mean, it should be erased. So in that part it will take little more. Now I'm taking this part. I'm just trying to delete. No need, it's already deactivated, so don't worry. Don't try to hack it. You will get nothing. So I'm just trying to apply more pressure. It's still strong. Now the main part, this iron part, I'm just trying to, like this, just a basic playing. No, this is a basic, little power. Now I am increasing the power. With this, still it is fine. And now we have this hole. Okay, let's try this hole with this part. And now let's try with more power. Yeah. So when I tried with this part, because it's a metal part, it will easily get damaged. Okay. Now let's try the other part, non-metal part. It's not working. I applied little more force, still not working. Then now what's next? I will try with this knife. Okay, with this knife, it's normally it will be on the purse or something, and if you are getting a knife attack, I can say, if you're having this in chest and somebody stabs you, you may escape. Jokes apart, it is kind of practically true. I think I saw this is in movie, something like, you know, blocking the bullets, but we don't have guns to do that. So let's try. See, after applying a lot of pressure, it bent. Now we'll try this way, you know, little pressure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Ninth time it pierced. Ninth time. Okay, so still, see, 9 times means, you know, it should, you know, some iron rod has to go like that. So still it is saving. So it's not only the one credit card in your wallet. If you have in your wallet, or if you're carrying, you should be carrying multiple credit card or debit cards. So this may, we don't know, but Indian made gun, it may stop the Indian made guns, local made guns, strict bullets. Just kidding. Now let's see how does this will go inside. It's more than 20. Still no, it takes, I'm getting tired. Now let's try. Oh, we have a drilling machine we have. Yeah, I forgot about that. Let's try to drill it. So we are going to drill. So let's say how much impact it makes on drill machines. I'm going to start. I'm applying more pressure. Yes, we know drill machine will be used for drilling walls and iron rods. So this is something kind of paper or something else. But still, it took some time to drill it. So we know how long it will take to drill this. Now let's go to the next part of this. How about like this? If we try to cut, that is normal cut. Okay, I'm trying to apply more pressure. Yeah, now it's going. When I am applying more pressure, it's going like this. Now I'm trying to do something with the scissor. So let's say scissor with side area. Yes, it's cutting. The middle part is cutting. It's simply cutting. Scissor will take it furthermore. Now if it still cut, let's say, you know, you still have this part correctly, and if you have cut from here, does it, if someone try to push, yeah, it's coming. You can, I think, make it as a body armor also. So this is the climax and conclusion for the video. So we tried with screwdriver, we tried with different types of impact with this knife, we tried with the drilling machine, and what else, we tried with the scissors. Yes, anyway, this is an experiment before throwing the credit cards or debit cards. So thanks guys for watching. Next I will come something else with the next video.